What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 28. That dropshipping could change my life. Let's break it down. So, what is dropshipping? Simply put, it's a business model where you sell products without ever holding inventory. You set up an online store, list products, and when a customer orders, your supplier ships directly to them. No stress, no warehouse, just pure hustle. Step 1. Pick a niche. Use social media, influencers, and even email marketing to drive traffic. Remember, consistency is key. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication, your dropshipping store can thrive. Ready to start your journey? Let's make 2024 the year you become a dropshipping pro. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today. Take that first step now and watch your dreams turn into reality.